Now that we know the definition of what a mineral is and what a rock is, let's talk about the three different types of rocks and how we classify them. They are igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. The definition of an igneous rock is a rock that's crystallized from molten magma. Molten magma is simply molten rock, and it comes up from beneath the earth and cools either underneath the Earth's surface or at the Earth's surface. And that leads us to two different definitions of igneous rocks: intrusive or extrusive. As the name suggests, intrusive, these are igneous rocks that cool beneath the Earth's surface. Extrusive rocks are rocks that have been extruded onto the surface and have cooled on the Earth's surface. So let's look at what the difference is in visual samples between intrusive and extrusive rocks. What we see here are two different types of intrusive rocks. We know they're intrusive rocks because they have very large grains. Here, in this granite, we can see the individual crystals of the individual minerals. Here, in this gabbro, we can see large crystals of very dark minerals. And the reason why these are large crystals is because they've cooled in the ground. And as a result, they're insulated. It takes a lot longer for them to cool. And as you know, if you've ever grown rock candy from sugar dissolved in water, the longer you leave them to cool, the bigger the crystals get. So these are extrusive igneous rocks. We know they're extrusive because they have very small grain size. This meant that the rocks cooled very quickly. In this case, we're looking at a basalt. In this case, we're looking at obsidian. This is volcanic glass. This is the way it would look if you were to find it in the field. But here, we've used a hammer to split it open, and you can see the shiny surface, the shiny glass-like surface. This is rock that has been cooled extremely quickly. It's cooled so quickly it has no crystalline structure at all.